In this tutorial, I am going to show you our Recare feature. The Recare engine runs separate from appointment reminders, sending informational notices before certain appointment types and provides recalls after a predefined time has passed. And it does this via both text message and email. So let me show you how to set that up. Within your Doctor Connect account, go up to the messaging tab, go down to Recare. Okay. Here we will add a new rule. Recare works using simple Boolean logic. Basically, what that means is that we are going to establish some rules that will only become active in instances that you predefine. So we can do that via diagnostic code, appointment type, doctor name, group name, status, office location. In this example, we're going to do appointment type. Okay, so and we're going to want to send this prior to a patient coming up. In this case, a new patient. So appointment type equals or starts with. At our office, new patient appointments all start with NP for new patient. Now, we have the first part of the rule set up just by changing this to appointment type starts with and then typing in our case, NP for new patients. Now we're going to set up a message to be sent via text and email. So from within your Doctor Connect account, your clinic's name will be here, will be there already. Let's say we want to personalize this message that goes out. In this case, we are going to personalize it with the patient's first name. So I'm going to use the variables listed below to do that. So Charlie, we're going to call the patient by his first name. And then we want him to know some specific information. Let's say that we're also going to let Charlie know exactly which provider he's seeing at your practice. Dr. So-and-so, by using that variable, is looking forward to meeting with you. And that's very nice to let them know, but also we want them to know that they need to do things like bring their insurance card and ID, maybe arrive a little bit early prior to their appointment so that they can fill out paperwork. We can get this information to those patients via this Recare rule. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and then let's give them our phone number in case they have any questions. And then just say thanks. Okay. So when is this message going to go out to these new patients? Well, let's send it out a couple days prior to their arrival. So 2 days, just type 2 there. Days for this drop down is fine. And before upcoming appointment. So we have the appointment type equals new patients. This message going out 2 days before their upcoming appointment. We need to save it. It's going to take us back to message rules screen. We look at this here. It looks good. Let's go ahead and turn it on. So now that we've turned it on, anytime that we pull over an appointment type that starts with NP, at least 2 days prior to that new patient's appointment, then we will be able to send that new patient this message via text and email.